The Winzwon car LED lights offer a stylish and functional enhancement for any vehicle, tailored specifically for women who appreciate aesthetics in their automotive space. These interior car lights merge practicality with modern technology, providing a personalized touch to your car's ambience. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical skill level. The USB port feature is a notable convenience, allowing users to plug in easily without the hassle of complicated setups. Once installed, the app control functionality stands out, allowing for effortless customization of lighting settings directly from a smartphone. This means users can adjust colors, brightness, and even sync lights to music with a few taps, creating a vibrant atmosphere that enhances the driving experience. A captivating aspect of these lights is the music sync feature, which reacts in real time to the sounds within the vehicle.